action! Fernando, start getting the wheel. Guadalupe, start getting the jack.
The jack was already outside. It doesn't matter. For editing purposes, it doesn't matter. Yeah, get the wheel in a second.
All right, you change the tire, you're done. Fernando, grab the wheel and throw it.
Grab this wheel?
Yeah, and throw it, yes, and throw it.
That's right.
Don't throw it too far. That's unnecessary. Just say the truth.
Hilarious.
All right, leave. Go, get the fuck out.
What?
Yeah, go.
Did I back it off?
No, go. I can only use easy.
Guadalupe turned around though. He turned around.
It's like one of those clowns.
Stop!
Oh shit.
Shit, the jack is under.
Oh.